Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here's Abdul, and today we have a quick review of this Orient Kamasu II Red Diver, thanks to Harum from Watchmade at Instagram, a friend of the channel. And yeah, so this is like I said, a video that I promised you I would make to review this watch, and here is the review for it. And this has to be one of my favorite divers I've reviewed this year at least. And let's start with the dimension, because in the last video a lot of people hated that I didn't show that I had an electronic caliper, but I didn't show the dimension on it. So the dimensions are 42.25, let's say, in diameter, in lug to lug 46.25 as well. Thickness is 13.5, and lug width is 22 millimeters. So this just gets the first couple of stops out. I have to get my loom. You might think I'm not so prepared for the review, but I actually did a video for this watch before, and I didn't find it on the mobile. So here is the loom. The loom is quite good. You have this red textured dial and bezel action, 120 click bezel. Everything lines up. It has a, you don't see it, but it has a caliber F6922 caliber, 40 hours power reserve, 21600 vibration. Also put it on the time grapher to check it out. By the way, if you like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe. It doesn't hurt, it doesn't take from your time more than a couple of clicks. Like the video, it helps the channel a lot. Only 5% of the viewers are subscribed, and that does of course help the channel if you press the subscribe button and the like button. So thanks again for watching. And yeah, so by the way, this is not the original bracelet of the watch. This is a bracelet from Strap Code, and we'll leave also the link in the description. I think it's called Hexed, 22 millimeters hexed. And as you can see, it has a fine milled clasp with some form of finish on it. It has a diver's extension where you can use on the go, and it has even, like I said, it has this effect, and it wears fantastic on the wrist. By the way, I'm wearing my Explorer, and let's see how does this watch look on my wrist, which is 17.1 centimeters. You can see that the dial, has a texture on it, which is quite cool, and it just looks really nice, really nice, even though it has a male end links here, which I don't enjoy so much, but on my wrist it just curves incredibly nice and wears quite fine, even though the watch is a bit heavy, so 170, 180 grams. But on this strap, because I have a bit of counterbalance here to counterbalance the head or the case of the watch, and it feels quite nice. So like I said, screw down crown, hacking, hand winding, automatic movement, 200 meters water resistance, sapphire class, BG9 loom, I guess. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comment sections. And yeah, that's basically about it. What I liked about the watch, everything on this bracelet, everything. This watch is, in my opinion, one of the best divers under 250 euros. Definitely you should get one if you're looking for a diver to add in your collection. Just have to clean it up more from my smidges, my smidged fingers. So let's put it on the time grapher and see how it's performing. So as we can see, the watch is performing quite well, plus 11 seconds, 0 milliseconds beat rate, high amplitude of 242, and running on 21600. Let's stop this one. So in closing, I would like to say that thanks to Haroon, I now have a new idea about what should I get for my next beater diver, which would be something like this Kamasu, and in red as well, because I don't have a red watch in my collection. And I really enjoyed this watch. It's really one of my favorite divers of this year that I tried out. So definitely be sure to check out the Orient. Check out Watchmade, so Haroon's Instagram, which I will leave also in the description. And like I said, if you have any questions, any comments about this watch or about any other watch, don't forget to leave it out in the comment section. And hopefully see you in the next one. As you can see, you will find two videos on the left and on the right that might interest you. So hopefully see you in one of these videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye everyone.